composition of functions. Compositions. We're giving two functions, f of x and g of x, and we ask to find two types of compositions. A, f composition g of x. So you always look at the one that is closer to x. That is going to be my input. So g of x will be inside of f. Let's first write down what is g. G is 3 over x. So I'm taking 3 over x and plugging in everywhere I see x. That is my new input. My f says 3 divided by the input plus 4. But my new input is 3 over x, which is a function g. So that's what I'm going to do. And that, technically speaking, is the answer. But if you want to simplify it, and we should actually, then I will create a common denominator. It's going to be x at a denominator. Then it will be 3 plus 4x, like so, and 3 at the top. Now, when you divide by a fraction, you multiply by the reciprocal of that fraction. So technically speaking, you just flip it. 3 is standing outside, and then I'm multiplying by x over 3 plus 4x. So the final answer is 3x over 3 plus 4x. And that is the result of the first composition. B. B wants to find g composition of f at x. So now g is the outside function, and then f of x is inside. So it's going to be g at 3 of x plus 4, because that's my f. G function says take your input and put it in a denominator, 3 over the input. But my input is 3 over x plus 4. Now, to simplify that, I will just multiply by the flipped fraction or reciprocal. X plus 4 over 3. 3 cancels out with 3, and the answer is just x plus 4. That is the final answer.